So, Ivan, we're going to wait for the cars, I do believe. And then, of course, we're going to have the national anthem as well. But don't they look great? I'm actually going to go and speak to this young girl right on the end, and she's going to tell us where we're from. Sweetheart, what is your name?
Indy,
Indy, can you tell us what school you're from?
Kaipui North School.
Kaipui North School. And so you look like you might be an intermediate. Is this an intermediate group?
Yes.
And do you do this kind of thing often?
No.
No. So is this your first time doing something for a ceremony or something like this?
Yes.
Oh, how exciting. How long have you guys been practicing?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Well, there you go. You're going to make your TV debut. I hope Mum and Dad or somebody is watching. Who is the leader of the Cup of Heart group here?
Lillian.
Lillian. Put your hand up, Lillian. Hello, my name is Bianca. I'm so glad to meet you. How are you? Tell us about this group here. You've been practicing for 2 weeks, but what kind of things are you doing for us tonight?
We're doing the national anthem and our haka.
Oh, there you go. We're going to be spoilt. This is what it's all about. Lovely speaking to you, Lillian. We're going to jump out of the way so the cars can come through, alrighty?
Hey, oh, atua, o ngai, wi matoira, ata whakaronga me aro hanoa. Kia hua ko te pai, kia tatoa ta whai, mana akitia mai, au te aroa. God of nations, at thy feet, in the bonds of love we meet. Hear our voices, we entreat. God defend our free land. God Pacific's triple stars, from the shores of strife and war, make her praises heard afar. God defend you, Zealand. Taringa, whakaronga, kia rite, kia mai. Sa hui wātiki. Maraka, maraka, sa hui wātiki. Maraka, maraka, tēnei te uru te kōkone. Ihai, mawhiti-whiti. Ihai, maraka, raka. Te upoko o te ruru. Te po, he po, he po, he au. Maraka, maraka, sa hui wātiki. Maraka, maraka, tēnei te uru te kōkone. Ihai, mawhiti-whiti.